June 9th, 2020, 12:56 p.m. Progress report for the coronavirus killer mask and helmet project. Let me show you what I got going on. I just finished making the new rear filter frame to replace this one, in order to get the cable out the back, and then also a fiber optic cable. Let me show you the fiber optic in action. Make sure it's pointing at the thing. Okay, can you see that? I think you can see that. All right. Probably can't see diddly squat now. All right. Diddly squat can be seen now. You can see that through the fiber optic. You can see a little bit of light. It's not very much, but this is a 20-foot length of the stuff, and I'm gonna shine it on this piece of day glow paper, and you can barely see it, so it's not actually putting out UV here. It's just visible light. I will demonstrate the difference here. Here's this end and that end, and over the blue LED it's much more visible. So something to make it kind of violetish would probably suffice. Well, that's the chips remaining from making the new rear filter frame. Let me go show you a little clip of the video of me making the frame. Where is it? Oh, here we go. That was set at 10 seconds on this Apeman camcorder, and here it is set at 5 seconds from a different point of view, also very quick. That's me putting the grooves in the thing. This is like the absolute cheesiest way to edit a video together. The collection of the videos. Let's show a bit of making this thing. Where do I start? I think this is where I started. Now this is me putting in the groove to retain the filter elements. So before that, probably this one, maybe this one. Let's try this one. Oh no! That's Fat Ass Joe trying on the belt clip. Let's look at this one. Alright. And it's, what is it? July 6th, 2020, 11:16 p.m. What am I doing here? Oh yeah. Making a new version of this instead of having a screen insert into it. It's very, very delicate, very flimsy. Looks like I got the steam on my back. Sorry. This will have the dome on it, and I'll cut a bunch of small slots on it. Alright, let's look at the next one here. A lot of sawing to do, so I took my shirt off so I don't sweat it up. Alright. That's a lot of sawing. And see how much I got for cutting the grooves aside from the fast motion here. Alright, machining on this side is done. Oh wait, putting the inner dome on was kind of cool, so let's see that. Oh, the sound seemed to come back to this thing. I think it's when you don't have it going through Wi-Fi through your phone, it has sound. Alright, let's look at the next one. Next one. Okay, you can see the Apeman over here. This is when I was making the 10-second time-lapse version. See? See, I'll be able to edit all this together into a coherent video later. This is just the readouts, kind of. See? Numbers actually changing. Aluminum dust floating through the air. Back in the back there. And it'll be cool. Also, I gotta put the it looks like I shaved fiber optic. Alrighty then. This is on my new stuff mix, my new stuff playlist. If you like this. Hey, look, he's wearing a mask.